It's very simple to customize the book to fit your syllabus. So in this example, I'm going to click Configure Zybook. And what this allows you to do is to both rename any chapter to what you want, but more importantly, you can rearrange topics in any order that you want. And that can be on the chapter level, or if you're within a chapter, any of the sections can be moved to a different section. But if there's content that you don't want to cover at all, you can check them. You can move them to an unused section so that students don't have to see something you're not going to cover. Or if it turns out that you're going to take these two sections and use them later, you could move them to another chapter and they can be there. So that's one way. But the other way is that within each chapter, you can create your own section. So if you wanted to, you can add text blocks. We see people do syllabus quizzes. They may post their whole syllabus here and then add a multiple choice question. Again, these are not going to be quizzes per se because students can guess through them, but you can still add questions and feedback for each of the questions, choose how many answers there would be. We have a short answer option. So you can ask, when is the next quiz going to be? And they can answer that question. And you can choose which one is correct or what's acceptable. And there's also image and video options. We saw these during COVID. Some folks would add snippets from their lectures here. And just to support the material that was already there, maybe examples from class or worked examples that happened during lecture. So from there, anything that you customize, you still have the ability to print those or save them as a PDF. And all of those also show up in your reporting tab. So if you have, I made this fake chapter down here. And if there were sections here, I could put them there. They will show up here. And if you create assignments, some folks have these synchronized with their LMS. Those assignments will also synchronize if you have them. And the last thing I would mention is that all of this is done in real time. So you can go week to week. You don't have to set all of this up ahead of time. Some people will just customize this as they move along in their course, knowing that maybe this is taking too long. So maybe you're going to split this into 2 chapters. So you can move this throughout the term and students will see it as you save it.